How to fix update KB5077181 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue that occurs when installing February 2026 security update. The first method is fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded here. Let the download complete. After completion, restart your computer. Let the repair version install and then try to install this security update. Install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Here you will find multiple files. Find the file compatible with your system. For this, check your system type first. Click on Start. Go to Settings. Click on System. Scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system. Check yours and find the file compatible with your system. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Find the link that includes KB5077181 and click on it. Let the update download. The size of the update is 3.9 GB. Once completed, close the browser and go to the download location. Right click on the MSU file and select Open. Preparing the installation. Click on Yes on this pop-up and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands separately, one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, press Enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press Enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. The next method is modify services. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for App Readiness in this list, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on the drop down and select Automatic. Then click on Apply. If the service is stopped, then click on Start. Click on OK. Right click on App Readiness and select Restart. In the same manner, right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, this one. Select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic and click on Apply. Click on Start if the button is highlighted. Click on OK. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. and select restart. Then look for Windows Update. Right click on the service, select Properties. Make sure that a startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, select automatic here. Then click on Start if the service status is showing stopped. Click on Start. Click on OK. Right click on the Windows Update service and select Restart. Close the services window and try to install the update. If any issue still persists and the update is not installing, then run System File Checker and DISM tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description, you will find these commands there. Run both the commands one by one. Copy SFC /SCANNOW, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once verification is 100% complete, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates. If any methods don't work, then you will have to perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link which says download Windows 11. Scroll down to this section and click on select download. Select this option for x64 devices. For ARM64 devices, click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now select the product language. Check the language of your system first. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Time and Language, Language and Region. This is product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and select the language and click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download and let the download complete. After completion, go to the download location and right click on the just downloaded ISO file. Select Mount. Click on Open on this pop-up. Right click on setup.exe. Select Open. Uncheck this box. This option takes much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart several times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the security update. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.